Alright, dude, what are we doing?
So, right now this broke, so we had to go to Home Depot to get a new one.
And what is that called?
The relief valve.
Relief valve for what?
For the heater over there, which was leaking because this wouldn't work. It would open, but then it wouldn't close.
And why wouldn't it close?
Because of all the poopy water.
The poopy water?
Yeah.
All the crud in there too, right?
Yeah.
Let's take a look. Let's see. Yeah. Alright, so we have a new one. You gonna open that guy up?
Yep.
Having a hard time there?
Maybe. I found this chaser.
Alright, can I have that guy? Let's see. Now this one. Nice and clean, right?
Yep.
Alright, so I'm going to put a little more Teflon on there. And then we're just going to torque it in. Okay, so what the look? Here, you hold that like that.
Yep.
Alright, so put some Teflon tape on there. Yeah, see. Okay, so we'll go this way with it. We don't have to go crazy with this, but we want to make sure that we're not leaking.
Yeah.
I don't want any leaks between the insulation and the heater.
Yeah.
And
Definitely don't want that.
and the actual heater, because then it'll sit in there and get nasty.
Yeah.
Alright, and this will crush down. Alright. Save that for later. Alright. Let's go do it.
Joseph Handline sent you something.
Oh, okay, we're not supposed to say people's names in there.
Oh.
Thank you.
Whoopsies.
Alright, so we're just going to thread this in by hand.
Did it again.
Yeah, okay. Alright.
Just like that.
What we're going to do
He's going to use that weird
without
wrench.
destroying the threads on here, we're just going to turn this to snug it down. Probably get one more turn out of it. Okay, I think that's good right there.
Yeah.
Alright.
There we go.
And now, we'll put our relief valve back in, or our tube back in. You know what?
Oh.
It's kind of dirty. Alright, so we thread that guy in.
Yep.
Okay. We're going to make sure we put this under just for now. Make sure the floor is dry before I touch this cord. Right?
Yeah.
We don't want to get
It electrocuted.
Yeah. That'll just mess up our hair, right?
Sure.
Okay. Let's tuck this in. I don't like the way that hangs, but what are you going to do? Alright. Now what?
Now we try it.
Well, let's make sure this guy is closed. That's closed, yeah. It's good. Alright, we're plugged in. And now we're going to open this up, right?
Yep.
Slowly, because we want to make sure that everything's closed. And when this fills up, alright, you want to go turn off the sink?
Yeah.
We got it bleeding. So it's going to take a while to fill up. It's 40 gallons. I think we took about 12 out. We wanted to make sure that we were below this line. So we'll wait and we'll just make sure it stays nice and dry. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Doobie doobie doo. Apparently there was a gas leak too. What? All right, let's see. Yeah. All right, we just need to snug that up a little bit. We might put some tape on that too because it's leaking just a wee bit. Watch this face. Move your face. Yeah, but at least it's actually shutting off now.
Looks like pee.
You can drink that if you want.
Ew, I'm not gonna drink that.
All right, we good?
Yeah.
High five.
And